Can you turn off regenerative braking on the 2026 Tesla Model Y? The short answer is no. You can't completely turn off regenerative braking. However, you can minimize it significantly. Tesla's system is designed to recover energy during deceleration, improving efficiency. While a complete shutdown isn't possible, you can adjust the regen level to achieve a more traditional braking feel. As of late 2025, the latest software updates have refined these controls, but the core principle remains. Regen is always active to some degree. Regenerative braking in the Tesla Model Y converts the car's kinetic energy into electrical energy that gets stored back in the battery. This happens automatically when you lift your foot off the accelerator pedal. This process is similar to how kinetic energy from pedaling a bicycle can power lights, showing how motion gets converted into usable electrical energy. The Model Y offers 3 adjustable regen levels: standard for maximum efficiency, medium for balanced performance, and low, which minimizes the effect for a more traditional driving feel. Selecting low minimizes regen, allowing the car to coast more like a traditional gasoline vehicle, though it doesn't eliminate regen entirely. The system is frictionless and automatic, recovering energy without traditional brake pads. To adjust the regenerative braking settings on your Model Y, start by tapping the touchscreen. Navigate to the Controls menu, then select Driving. From there, choose Regen Strength to access the options. You'll see 3 options: standard for maximum efficiency, medium for balanced performance, and low for minimal regenerative braking. Selecting low will give you the least amount of regenerative braking, providing a more traditional driving feel. Remember, even on low setting, some regenerative braking still occurs to capture energy and maintain vehicle efficiency. Tesla introduced the smooth braking feature in 2025 software updates. This mode reduces aggressive regenerative braking, providing more linear deceleration that feels closer to traditional hydraulic brakes. To enable smooth braking, navigate to Controls on the touchscreen, then select Pedal and Steering, and toggle the feature on. This setting works best when combined with low regen strength. Watch how adjusting the regen level affects the braking intensity. The result is smoother braking that prevents jerky stops, especially useful when using autopilot. Regenerative braking is integral to the efficiency of electric vehicles like the Model Y. Completely disabling it would significantly reduce the car's range and energy recovery capabilities. The low setting is a compromise, allowing for a more familiar driving experience while still maintaining some level of energy recapture. Tesla prioritizes efficiency, so a total disable option is unlikely. Many Model Y owners find the low regen setting particularly useful when towing a trailer. It reduces jerkiness and improves stability by minimizing regenerative braking force. Similarly, when using autopilot, smooth braking combined with medium regen can provide a more comfortable and predictable driving experience. This prevents abrupt decelerations that can feel unnatural during autonomous driving. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for your specific needs and driving conditions. Each scenario may require different regen configurations for optimal comfort and safety. The electric vehicle industry is rapidly moving toward greater driver customization options. As technology advances, drivers are gaining more control over how their vehicles behave, particularly with systems like regenerative braking. Future software updates for the 2026 Tesla Model Y may introduce even more granular control over regenerative braking strength. Drivers could see finer adjustment options beyond the current standard, medium, and low levels. There are rumors circulating in Tesla's beta testing communities about a potential regen off mode that would completely disable regenerative braking. As of December 2025, this feature is not available in production vehicles and remains speculative for future releases. In the coming years, expect to see more AI-driven adaptive regenerative braking systems. These intelligent systems will automatically adjust regen strength based on your driving habits, road conditions, and even weather patterns to provide the optimal balance of comfort and efficiency. Safety is paramount when adjusting regenerative braking settings on your Tesla Model Y. Always test any new Regen configurations in a controlled, safe environment away from traffic. Be aware that changing Regen levels significantly impacts your vehicle's handling and braking behavior. The Model Y's dynamics are designed around regenerative braking, so adjustments can alter how the car responds to deceleration. If you're used to the aggressive regen of standard mode, switching to low will feel different. You may need to apply the brake pedal more frequently to achieve the same stopping power, as low minimizes regenerative capture. Continuously monitor your driving habits after adjustments. Regularly evaluate how the settings affect your comfort and safety, and make further changes as needed to maintain optimal control of your Model Y. Finally, keep your Tesla updated with the latest software releases. Tesla frequently improves Regen systems and adds new features through over-the-air updates, ensuring you have access to the most advanced and safe driving options.